Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll be creating our first push to GitHub. Before we go on, I would like to run through some things that I noticed before I made this video to work fine. Alright, the first thing is when we added Git to our existing project, a master branch was created. So be aware of the new change made in Git and always create the main branch yourself. First, let's move into our working directory. So I cd into dev. I cd into dev slash my first repo. First step, let's view our branches. So we can write git So we can see now that we have main and we have remote origin main. So I had to manually delete the master branch and create main on my local folder. So to create a new branch, all you have to do is type git branch and then the branch name, and a new branch will be created for you when you press the enter key. All right, if you wish to delete a branch, all you have to do is type git branch dash d and the branch you wish to delete, and that branch will be deleted for you. Okay, also you need to check out to the branch that you wish to work on currently. So you type git checkout main, and you have checked out into the branch that you need to work with. So having done that, let us view the status of our local git folder. So on our local git folder, hopefully we can find these, which are changes that we have staged for commit. But to make this tutorial worthwhile, as we would like to create our first commit before we push, I will also make some changes to the file we are working with. So I'm working with a file on Jupyter Lab, which is an introduction to data analytics with Python. So let me import NumPy. So having added this change, now I can save this, and now moving on to Git status. You can see that I have modified this file again and it needs to be staged. To stage this file, I simply type git add with a dot. If I do this, I will be adding all changes that were made to my local folder. However, if I just want to add a single file, I simply type git add and this will add just the single file to the staging environment. So let's do this. So the file has been added. We can use git status to see the current status of our local repository, and these are the changes that have been committed on branch main. So I would also like to add a new commit. So I will go with git commit -m and then add my message, which is just a short description that explains the changes that I have made. So I'll just put this added data notebook. All right, so with that, I have done my commit. Having done this commit now, I would like to push to my main branch on my GitHub page. So to do this, you type git push origin main, and we have successfully pushed the file to our GitHub repository. Now take note that You should be connected, you should have internet connection in order to successfully run this tutorial. We can check Git status just to confirm that our working tree is clean, and so you can see that there's nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Let's check our Git repository. All right, this is my file explorer. I wish to check our GitHub page. Coming to my GitHub page, let me refresh this page and see what happens. So on my GitHub page, we now have an additional file, Intro to Data Analytics with Python. So this file has been added to our GitHub page. So guys, it's that easy to push your changes to GitHub. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now.